In this video, we will demonstrate how to install APK files on your Android device. APK, or Android package, is the file format used by the Android operating system for the distribution and installation of mobile apps and middleware. We have three methods to install app file into Honeywell mobile device: manual method, auto install settings method, and using enterprise provisioner. First, let's look at the manual method. Please enable provisioning mode. Go to settings, then Honeywell settings provisioning mode, and enable it. Then connect your Honeywell device to a Windows PC using a USB cable. On the device, swipe down from the top of the screen and set the USB mode to file transfer. On your PC, locate your APK file and copy it to the download folder on the device. Then, disconnect the USB. On the device, go to Apps Files, then select Internal Storage and open Download folder, tap the APK file, and follow the prompts to install it. Next up is the auto install settings method. Enable unknown sources and provisioning mode as we did in the manual method. Connect the device to your PC and set the USB mode to file transfer. On your PC, navigate to the device's internal memory to Honeywell folder, then auto install folder. Copy the APK file into the auto install folder. Then on your device, open the auto install app. Make sure to enable auto install and verify apps is checked. Finally, reboot the device. The app should install automatically. Now, let's explore the third method, using Enterprise Provisioner. On your PC, make sure it's already installed. Open the Enterprise Provisioner application. Select the correct device setting package for your Honeywell device. Choose the provisioning option, then select the APK file from your PC. Click on the barcode option and choose Task as your action. Then click Generate Barcode. The provisioning barcode will be ready. Enable provisioning mode into device and scan the barcode. Then app file will download into device and get installed automatically. Thank you for watching.